Those photographs were like moments of truth, captured forever.
This is Alexander Kirchhoff. He's the one who won the Pulitzer Prize last month.
How nice for you.
He wanted me to be with him, to leave everything behind. My job, my husband, my life.
I have to be here. Please, try and understand.
For somewhere strange and unfamiliar to me.
Don't forget to write.
Where old struggles ignite new passions. And there is great danger everywhere.
Gramercy Pictures presents an unforgettable motion picture.
Hello? I need to speak to Alexander Kirchhoff, please.
Nein, English.
Once you hear the words,
What happened to you? What did they do to you out there?
once you know the faces,
I learned. I aged. I took science.
once you see the pictures, you will begin to understand the story.
My camera killed a man.
Oh, my God.
I never showed those pictures to anyone. They are yours now. Love, Alexander.